Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today to share with you my August block of the month. And I've already made my block in the 6-inch size and in the 12-inch size, and I'm just going to share a few tips and tricks for you as you put your blocks together this month. Okay, so this month's block, if you haven't sewn along before, we do have a pattern that you can download, and this one is actually the Connecticut block. It's a traditional block, and that's the name. So you can download the pattern, and it has information for 6-inch, 12-inch, and 18-inch finished blocks. So get the pattern. The link will be in the description and on my blog post. And let me just share a couple tips and tricks with you for this month's block. First of all, it's really similar to our March block. If you go back and look, if you are looking at it and thinking, wait, we've done this before. The center is different from that block. That block has these units, but they're turned the other way. And these units are the same. But the center is different and these are turned the other way. And I wanted to include them kind of as sister blocks. So if you noticed that, just be sure that they are different. I wanted to include a little bit more red in my larger blocks, so I used the center as the opportunity to really make that stand out. And I did use the mini simple folded corners ruler for this unit. I will link that. You just have to make 4 half square triangles, and so I just made them, sized them up, trimmed them down. I didn't actually use the triangle paper for these, but I did use the block lock ruler for these flying geese units. So a really fun block to put together. When I made my mini block, I had fun using 2 different shades of blue for the center and really had fun with that. I also used the mini simple folded corners ruler on that. Also made this half square triangles the same way. I don't have a block lock ruler for making the flying geese this size, so I just made them. And I did use my tape that I'll link in the post to sew my lines so that I didn't have to draw lines or anything like that. I used my tape from Allison at Cluck Cluck Sew, so I will link that product as well. But super fun blocks. This is the 8th block. We have 4 more to go, and my plan is to actually release 2 blocks, either in September or October, so that in December I can share the finishing instructions with you. I hope you're enjoying sewing along with my Quilting Life block of the month for 2020. It is a mystery block of the month, so you won't know what you're going to get until I post every month, but the August block is now available. And if you've missed any of the previous blocks, it's not too late to join in. I have links available for all of those patterns, and you'll find all the details in the description below and on my blog post. If you haven't subscribed already, please do, and thanks so much for stopping by.